In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter issues or tickets by label in Jira. If you've ever found yourself drowning in a sea of Jira issues and need to quickly find specific tasks, understanding how to filter by labels can be a real game changer. This method will help streamline your workflow and ensure you spend less time searching and more time working on what truly matters. To start, navigate to the project you wish to delve into. Open Jira and locate the project hub that serves as the heart of your task management. Within this space, you'll find all the issues related to your project neatly organized. Now, this might seem straightforward, but establishing this orientation is key before diving into any filter configurations. Next, spot the Issues tab. Once you've opened your chosen project, this tab will typically appear in the top navigation menu. Clicking on Issues is like opening a gateway to a world where you control what you see. Imagine it as your dashboard for narrowing down the extensive lists into manageable segments. Once inside, you'll notice a text area beside JQL, which stands for Jira Query Language. Here, you'll want to click the option labeled Basic. This switches the view from JQL syntax mode, which can be a bit daunting for beginners, to a more intuitive interface where filtering becomes more visual and user-friendly. Now, direct your attention to the More Filters dropdown. This feature offers a range of advanced filtering options that allow for a deeper dive into the issue parameters. Click this drop-down to reveal a menu filled with categories and fields that can be manipulated to refine your search. From the menu that appears, search for and select Labels. Labels are a fantastic way of categorizing issues across various projects. And by choosing this option, you're telling Jira to focus on the specific markers associated with each issue. When you've selected labels, a list populated with your existing labels will appear right in front of you. Take your time to scroll through and determine which labels are most relevant to your search. Selecting one or more labels from this list will instantly filter your issues, organizing them based on the associated tags. Once this step is complete, you'll see that Jira has filtered the issues according to your chosen labels. This is where the beauty of labels shines. By honing in on these markers, you can swiftly access the information that's most pertinent to you. Moreover, it's worth noting how labels can be integrated into JQL for those who prefer working with queries. The JQL operator for labels lets you conduct precise searches using simple queries. For instance, if you're keen on finding all issues tagged with editor, simply input the query labels x editor. JQL elevates your filtering capabilities and offers a powerful way to tailor your searches precisely. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll not only harness the power of Jira's labeling system, but also organize your workflow in a way that makes navigating your project seamless and efficient. Happy filtering!